They say you shouldn't go grocery shopping on an empty stomach, and apparently the same rule applies to burglarizing, which technically is shopping, even though it's not legal. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz60, and cops in Sonoma County, California say a burglar went looking for cash and valuables, but was totally satisfied with some tater tots. Cops say James Adams broke into the home, found those tots, heated them up, ate them, and then fell asleep on the couch. The homeowner was upstairs the whole time, but apparently didn't hear any commotion. When she found Adams asleep on her couch, she called 911, then left the house, which caused Adams to wake up and run away. Police caught up with him, but he resisted and they had to taser him to make the arrest. If he wanted to eat tater tots and fall asleep, he could have just done that at his own house. It might sound lame telling your friends that's your plan for Friday night, but it's a better plan than going to jail. Buzz60. Now you know. Pass it on.